Hello and welcome to another video where we will unveil an incredible opportunity to unlock your phone's untapped potential to earn up to $1,000 using the power of AI. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, the success of online businesses hinge upon their ability to connect with the right audience. The opportunity to make money online, unleash the power of Adsterra, and earn a whopping $300 daily. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. In today's digital landscape, online advertising is vital in connecting businesses with their target audience. Adsterra is an advertising network that has gained considerable attention and is a bridge between advertisers and publishers worldwide. This platform offers many opportunities for publishers to monetize their website traffic while allowing advertisers to effectively reach their desired audience by displaying various ads. At the same time, advertisers can reach their target audience by displaying their ads on the publishers' websites. In this article, we will delve into the world of Adsterra, exploring its features, ad formats, targeting options, and potential benefits for both publishers and advertisers. Whether you're a website owner seeking to maximize your revenue or a marketer looking for effective advertising solutions, join us as we navigate the realm of Adsterra. Here are some of the benefits of using Adsterra. High-quality traffic. Adsterra has an extensive network of high-quality websites and apps that generate high-quality traffic. Broad reach. Adsterra has a global reach, so people can see your ads worldwide. Variety of ad formats. Adsterra offers a variety of ad formats, so you can choose the suitable structure for your campaign. Targeted advertising. Adsterra offers various targeting options, so you can reach your target audience with your ads. High CPM. Adsterra offers a high CPM, so you can earn even more money from your ads. Reliable service. Adsterra is a reliable and reputable advertisement network. The different ad formats Adsterra offers include display banners. These are traditional banner ads in various sizes placed strategically on publishers' websites. Pop-unders are ads that appear in a new browser window behind the main window, ensuring visibility. Interstitial ads are full-screen ads that grab users' attention during natural transition points on websites or apps. Direct links are text-based ads seamlessly integrating into content, providing a non-intrusive advertising experience. Push notifications. These are ads delivered as clickable notifications directly into users' devices, even when they're not actively browsing. Adsterra works with various verticals such as gaming, finance, e-commerce, and technology. One notable feature of Adsterra is its global reach, as it serves ads to many countries and has a substantial network of publishers and advertisers. It provides advanced targeting options to advertisers, allowing them to reach their desired audience based on location, device type, operating system, and more. Adsterra provides robust targeting options to help advertisers reach their desired audience effectively. These capabilities include geo-targeting, targeting specific countries, regions, or cities to focus on audiences in particular locations. Device targeting, tailoring ads for desktops, mobile devices, or tablets. OS targeting, displaying ads based on the operating systems such as Windows, Android, iOS, or Mac OS. Browser targeting, serving ads based on the web browser used by the audience, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Language targeting, delivering ads in the audience's preferred language, enhancing relevancy and user experience. CPM represents the price an advertiser pays every 1,000 times their ad is shown to potential viewers. A high CPM can indicate that the advertising space or audience being targeted is valuable and in high demand. Several factors can contribute to a high CPM. Advertiser demand. If there is an intense competition among advertisers to reach a specific audience or industry, it can drive up the CPM. Advertisers may be willing to pay more for ad placements to capture a desired audience's attention. Targeted audience. Advertisers might seek specific demographics or niche markets more, leading to higher CPMs for ad placements that can reach those audiences effectively. Premium ad placements. Ad inventory in prominent or premium positions on websites or within popular apps tend to command higher CPMs. Advertisers are often willing to pay more for ad spaces that are highly visible or have proven to yield better engagement and conversions. Ad format and quality. Certain ad formats such as video or rich media ads often have higher CPMs than standard display banners. Additionally, high-quality, well-designed advertisements that offer a better user experience may justify higher prices. It's important to note that what constitutes a high CPM can vary depending on the industry, geographic region, target audience, and other factors. Therefore, it's relative and can differ from one advertising campaign or context to another. Adsterra offers flexible payment options for both publishers and advertisers. These include publishers. Publishers can receive payments through wire transfers, PayPal, Bitcoin, Paxum, WebMoney, and e-payments. Payment frequencies can vary, with options for weekly or monthly payouts. Advertisers. Adsterra accepts payments from advertisers through methods such as credit cards, wire transfers, PayPal, and Bitcoin. Advertisers can set their desired budget and monitor their ad campaign performance in real time. Adsterra provides additional features to enhance the advertising experience. Anti-ad block technology. Adsterra's advanced anti-ad block technology helps publishers maximize their revenue by bypassing ad blockers and ensuring ad visibility. Real-time statistics. Publishers and advertisers can access comprehensive real-time statistics and reports to analyze campaign performance and make data-driven decisions. Dedicated support. Adsterra offers dedicated customer support to address any inquiries or issues that publishers and advertisers may encounter. Adsterra empowers publishers to monetize their traffic and advertisers to effectively reach their target audience. It also offers various ad formats and options that can be utilized within CPA marketing campaigns. While Adsterra is not solely focused on CPA marketing, it can be used as a platform for affiliates to promote CPA offers and generate conversions. Cost per action or CPA marketing is an affiliate marketing type in which advertisers pay affiliates based on a specific action performed by the referred users rather than simply for clicks or impressions. In CPA marketing, the desired action can vary. It can include purchasing, filling out a form, signing up for a trial, or subscribing to a newsletter. Here's how CPA marketing typically works. Advertiser. The advertiser is the party that wants to promote a product, service, or offer. They create a CPA campaign and determine the specific action they want users to take. Advertisers are willing to pay affiliates to drive conversions or actions. Affiliate. The affiliate is the marketer or publisher who promotes the advertiser's offer on their website, blog, social media, or other marketing channels. Affiliates join CPA networks or directly partner with advertisers to access various CPA offers. They earn a commission or payout for each qualifying action their referrals generate. CPA network. A CPA network is an intermediary between advertisers and affiliates. It connects affiliates with various CPA offers from different advertisers, provides tracking tools, facilitates payments, and supports both parties. Affiliates can join CPA networks to access multiple offers within a single platform. User action. The success of CPA marketing relies on users completing the desired action specified by the advertiser. This action could be purchasing, submitting personal information, downloading an app, or any predefined action that signifies a conversion. Conversion tracking. To accurately track conversions, CPA marketing uses specialized tracking technologies such as tracking pixels, cookies, or unique referral links. These tracking mechanisms enable advertisers to attribute conversions to specific affiliates and ensure accurate commission calculation. Commission/payout. Once the user performs the desired action and the conversion is tracked and verified, the affiliate earns a commission or payout set by the advertiser. The commission amount can vary depending on the action complexity and the offer's value. Here's what links Adsterra and CPA marketing. CPA offers on Adsterra. Adsterra provides a platform for advertisers to promote their CPA offers through different ad formats, such as display banners, pop-unders, interstitials, and push notifications. Advertisers can create and run campaigns to drive specific actions or conversions from users. Affiliates who are part of Adsterra's publisher network can promote these CPA offers on their website or marketing channels. Affiliate marketing with Adsterra. As an affiliate marketer, you can leverage Adsterra's ad formats to promote CPA offers from various advertisers. By joining Adsterra's publisher network, you can access multiple ad campaigns, including CPA offers, and earn a commission for driving conversions. Adsterra's tracking tools and reporting capabilities help affiliates monitor their performance and optimize their campaigns for better results. Integration with CPA networks. Serving as a centralized platform for affiliates to access multiple CPA offers from various advertisers within the network. This streamlined integration enables affiliates to promote CPA offers using Adsterra's ad formats, simplifying the process and expanding the earning potential. Tracking and optimization. Adsterra's tracking capabilities enable affiliates to monitor conversions and performance metrics for their CPA marketing campaigns. By analyzing the data provided by Adsterra's tracking tools, affiliates can optimize their campaigns, fine-tune targeting, adjust ad placements, and improve their overall ROI. Adsterra provides a solid foundation for monetizing your online presence and opens up vast opportunities to generate income and maximize your earning potential. Earning from Adsterra as a side hustle can be a viable option for monetizing your website traffic. Here are some steps to get you started. Create a website or blog. If you don't already have a website or blog, create one on a topic that interests you or aligns with your expertise. Ensure that your website offers valuable content that attracts visitors. Sign up as a publisher. Visit the Adsterra website and sign up as a publisher. Provide the necessary information and follow the registration process. Add your website to Adsterra. Add your website to Adsterra account after signing up. You'll need to provide details such as website URL, category, and estimated monthly traffic. Choose ad formats. The ad formats best suit your website and audience. Adsterra offers various forms including display banners, pop-unders, interstitials, direct links, and push notifications. Consider the layout and design of your website when choosing the formats. Implement ad codes. Adsterra will provide codes or tags specific to the chosen ad formats. Place these codes in the appropriate sections of your website or blog. Ensure the ads are integrated seamlessly into your website design for a better user experience. Optimize placement and visibility. Experiment with different ad placements on your website to find what works best for your audience. Test out the formats, positions, and sizes to maximize visibility and engagement. It's crucial to strike a balance between monetization and user experience. Monitor performance. Use the analytics and reporting tool provided by Adsterra to track the performance of your ads. Monitor metrics such as impressions, clicks, and earnings. Identify trends, optimize underperforming areas, and leverage successful strategies to maximize revenues. Focus on increasing traffic. To boost your earnings, work on driving more traffic to your website. Implement SEO strategies, create valuable content, promote your website through social media, and engage with your audience to increase website visibility and attract more visitors. Explore additional monetization opportunities. Adsterra can be one of several monetization methods for your website. Consider exploring other revenue streams, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling digital products to diversify your income. Stay engaged and up to date. Keep yourself informed about the latest trends, ad formats, and strategies in the digital advertising industry. Stay engaged with the Adsterra community, participate in forums, and leverage resources provided by Adsterra to enhance your monetization efforts. Earning from Adsterra requires patience, consistent effort, and a focus on delivering quality content and user experience. It may take time to build significant income, so be persistent and keep refining your strategies along the way. By joining Adsterra, you can monetize your website traffic and start generating revenue. With its user-friendly interface, comprehensive reporting tools, and timely payments, Adsterra offers a hassle-free experience for earning money online. As you embark on your Adsterra journey, remember to focus on creating valuable content, optimizing your ad placements, and driving traffic to your website. Monitor and analyze your performance to make data-driven decisions and maximize your earnings. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.